So today I'll be showing you how to change the surveillance period of your Xiaomi Smart Camera C500 Pro. So simply launch the app on your phone and then select the camera you want to change surveillance for. So for instance, this is the camera I want to change for. And then tap on the three dots in the top right corner and select Home Surveillance Settings. With that selected, then choose or tap on monitoring time. By default, you can see mine is set to 24-hour notifications. So which means my camera will just be performing surveillance in my home for 24 hours a day, and it's going to keep sending me notifications when motion is detected or for any push notifications that I've enabled. Now this might be a bit annoying because sometimes it might send you notifications of yourself moving around the house. So you might want to choose when you're not in the house for the surveillance to start. So for instance, if you go to work every day, you can set daytime surveillance so that it does surveillance from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Or you can choose nighttime surveillance so that it can start at 8 p.m. and stop at 8 a.m. Or you can choose your own time by selecting custom schedule, and you can set the exact time you want your surveillance to start. So for instance, if you want it to start at 9 in the morning, you can set 9 o'clock, like confirm, and you want it to stop maybe at 6 p.m. All right, so you can come here to 6 p.m. should be 18. Okay, so 8 like that, and tap on confirm. Okay, so my camera will start sending me notifications when motion is detected between 9 a.m. and 6 p.m. So to save that setting, just tap on the check mark in the top right corner, and that setting is going to be saved, and that's going to be my custom schedule for home surveillance period. So that is basically how you can change the home surveillance period of your Xiaomi Smart Camera C500 Pro. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.